First of all, the choices is very special because it came from Sara, a very dear friend, जिसने हमें बिलीव किया, जिसने ये बिलीव किया कि मैं उसकी तारा हूँ और जस उसका आरव. द स्क्रिप्ट वॉज ब्यूटिफुली रिटन. हर एक किरदार को बहुत ब्यूटिफुली एच किया, उनके लेयर्स बहुत अच्छे से डिफाइन किए, और इतनी छोटी छोटी बारीकियाँ थी किरदार में कि portraying this character was not at all challenging, as I mean, if you ask me, because बहुत आसान कर दिया था टीम ने मिलकर, because they had clarity in what they wanted me to play as Tara. तो वो पार्ट सॉल्व हो गया था. एंड second one was how challenging it was to play. It was not challenging for us to play the characters, since the story was very beautifully etched out for us.
The most challenging choice my character faced, that Arav faced, yes, the most challenging choice that Arav faced was to choose love over commitment. What happens is that we live in a world and a country where we have to be amongst the society, and we cannot ignore that we live in a society where we have our parents, we have our relatives. Our parents are answerable to our relatives, we are answerable to our relatives and the society. And एक चीज़ है जिससे हम सब डरते हैं कि यार लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे. And sometimes what happens is when you have a journey with a person, it is not very easy to just say that बस हो गया भाई मेरा, अब मेरे को यहाँ से निकलना है. वो होता नहीं है. So sometimes you need that one sign from God or that element to get you out of that toxic relationship or any place where you're stuck, where you're not growing, where you're suffocating, where you're feeling like you're dying every day. So for Arav, the challenging part was to accept that he has actually fallen in love with Tara and say ki no, now I choose love. I have the right to live for myself, for love. Because as what will you will understand when you watch the film, that what he was living in a marriage was not a marriage. It was a blackmail. It was a suffocating, toxic home where he was living, and that's where he wanted to get out of. So that was a difficult choice for him also. It wasn't easy. People think for men it's very easy to get out of a relationship. For just personally and for Arav, it is not. I don't have any regrets in life. I don't like to regret anything. It's all my ownership. I take ownership of whatever decisions I have taken in my life, because this is not because of him or her or anybody else. It's because of me. Proud of is I wouldn't call being with Ridhima proud. It came with pure unconditional love at that time. Proud of, yes, that I chose the gift that God has given me is to become an artist, to become an actor. And I came to a point in life where I said कि नहीं मुझे अब ये नहीं करना, but God brought me back to that path. And now I'm very proud of is that when I hit rock bottom, I had that strength. God gave me that, my Vaheguruji gave me that strength to get back up and say कि यार one more round. And I'm very proud of that I am able to do it. Blessed more.
मैंने पहले वाली जो क्वेश्चन था उसका मैं जवाब नहीं दे पाई थी कि तारा की लाइफ में क्या चैलेंजेस थे जो उसने जो उसने चूज़ किया. तो तारा को इस फिल्म में चूज़ करना पड़ा बिटवीन सेल्फ लव एंड लव, एंड अक्सर हम आम जिंदगी में लोग ज़्यादातर लव ही चूज़ करते हैं, सेल्फ लव को साइड पे रहने देते हैं. इस फिल्म में जिस तरह से सेल्फ लव चूज़ किया तारा ने, वो बहुत हिम्मत की बात है. वो हम अपनी आम जिंदगी में नहीं कर पाते. तो आप एक तरीके से समझिए ये मेरे लिए एक क्लू था, एक क्यू था विच तारा गेव मी कि रिद्धिमा, प्रायोरिटाइज सेल्फ लव, प्रायोरिटाइज योर हैप्पीनेस ओवर अदर्स, बिकॉज इफ यू आर हैप्पी यू विल बी एबल टू कीप अदर्स हैप्पी. तो ये एक चीज़ थी. और अगर आप पर्सनली पूछे कि रिद्धिमा व्हाट्स योर रिग्रेट और व्हाट आर यू प्राउड ऑफ, सो आई एम प्राउड ऑफ द फैक्ट कि मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में एक बैंकिंग जॉब छोड़कर मैं एक ऐसे लाइन में आई जहाँ मेरी कोई प्रीवियस मतलब फैमिली मेम्बर्स नहीं है, कोई मेंटोर नहीं है, कोई गाइडेंस नहीं है, उसके बावजूद मैंने आई एम चेजिंग माई ड्रीम्स, आई चोज टू लिव माई पैशन. और आसान नहीं था रास्ता, बहुत बारी ऐसा हुआ कि ऐसा लगा आई माइट गिव अप, लेकिन मैंने ये रास्ता छोड़ा नहीं. मैं बहुत बार गिरी, मैंने फिर आई गॉट अप and I kept moving on, going on with this journey, and I'm very proud of myself for the choices I made as an actor in the past, and now that I am today, it's my best version and I'm only becoming better. और regrets मुझे है नहीं, because I feel everything happens in your life for a reason. It only makes you a better human.